How to get more customers as a car salesman. My name is Ted and I'm with SEO for Videos. We are a marketing blog. I wanted to do a quick video on how to get more customers as a car salesman. The number one thing that I would make sure that I would do if I was a car salesman is I would make sure that I understand my product. Nothing drives me more crazy than someone who is selling something and have no clue what they're doing. So that would be the number one thing. The other pieces to the puzzle would be I would set up a Google My Business only if the dealership allows you to do that at their location. Some dealerships may not want you to do that, but some may. But I would set up a Google My Business, and then I would also set up a Facebook page and a YouTube channel. And I would go extremely aggressive with the video. It's a very powerful piece. It's a good piece to a good tool to give people an idea of who you are. You can give them a lot more details about a product or a vehicle. Um, if you're getting pre-owned cars from trade-ins, if that car's in good condition, right away I do a video, about the, the car, showing the condition of the car, tires, all the important factors that a consumer would want to know to make them want to come in and possibly do a test drive and purchase the vehicle. The other one I totally forgot about is Twitter. So I would use Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, and Google My Business. There's a lot of platforms where you can do one video, hit a button, and it puts it on all the other channels. But I would be doing, videos if I could every day of the week, just one video. You could do a 30-second video, just showing, like I said, showing new vehicles, showing if you got a new car coming in, for example. Let's just say that your particular dealership was a Chevy dealership and you had a 2020 Corvette coming in. Once the car got in, I would do a video right away, just showing the car, showing the cool, features of the vehicle, etc. And the other thing too is, people don't like to feel like they've been sold to. So, don't just make your clients feel like they're just a number. Treat them different. Treat them in a way where they feel comfortable with you, and just you know once the car gets sold, here you go, here's the keys, see you. That's not cool. I've actually had that happen to me, and I was just kind of blown away because I felt used. So anyways, just to kind of recap over the challenge that you need to set up, you need to have a Facebook, a YouTube, a Twitter. um, those are your, and Google My Business. And with the Google My Business, that's a great platform too to use video. You can also upload pictures. So, if you have a particular person who is um, within your area and they are looking for a vehicle, they type in whatever vehicle it is, you could possibly show up. It's a great way for people to, let's just say that, you live in a different part of town. You can possibly use your home address. I would just make it private. But you could pull people out of different sections of town to your dealership to speak with you. Anyways, if you need any help with that, or need any more tips, please follow my YouTube channel and also follow my blog. My name is Ted, and I'm with SEO for Videos. Out.